want to like crack it. It looks good though. Ben wants to dance with somebody he's never met in his entire life, Cameo McHenry.
We should get married. By that energy.
They're gonna do crushing on. Song 1, 2, 3, spin it. Yeah, that's song 1. Song number 2, let's go.